Itumeleng Mokoena demands accountability over Teboho Mokoena suspension saga. The former Bafana Bafana and Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper Itumeleng Mokoena has weighed in on the controversy surrounding Teboho Mokoena's suspension saga, calling for accountability as South Africa's national team faces potential punishment in their World Cup qualification campaign. Mokoena, a key midfielder for Mamelodi Sundowns, was fielded against Lesotho despite accumulating 2 yellow cards in previous matches, a violation that could see Bafana Bafana stripped of 3 points and 3 goals. With South Africa currently leading Group C, the looming threat of a point deduction has cast a shadow over their qualification hopes. Mokoena, a veteran of South African football, likened the situation to Bafana Bafana's heartbreaking elimination from the 2012 Africa Cup of Nations qualifiers. Speaking to Soccer Laduma, he recalled how the national team mistakenly believed they had secured qualification, only to be disqualified due to an overlooked regulation. And said, when we were playing AFCON qualifiers, I remember we thought we needed just a draw. We celebrated in Nelspruit thinking we had qualified, only to later find out that someone from SAFA ignored an email from CAF or FIFA stating that the head-to-head records, not goal difference, would determine qualification. The blender saw Niger advance instead, leaving Bafana Bafana players devastated. Now, more than a decade later, Mokoena sees history repeating itself. As South African football fans anxiously await FIFA's decision, Mokoena insists that those responsible must step forward and be held accountable. And the same thing is happening right now. Losing 3 points and 3 goals after all the hard work, someone must be accountable. We can't keep taking 10 steps forward and 20 steps back. Someone must come out and say to the nation, I'm sorry that I've cost the national team. Head coach Hugo Bros, who opted to drop Mokoena from the squad for the match against Benin, has refused to comment on the controversy. Meanwhile, Bafana Bafana's rival Benin, Rwanda and Nigeria stand to benefit if South Africa suffers a deduction. Currently, South Africa sits atop Group C with 13 points ahead of Benin and Rwanda, 8 points each, and Nigeria 7. However, if FIFA rules against them, their advantage could be erased, making qualification significantly more challenging. The road to the 2026 World Cup remains uncertain, with upcoming fixtures against Lesotho and Nigeria in September, followed by crucial clashes against Zambia, Zimbabwe and Rwanda in October. If Bafana Bafana is penalized, their World Cup dreams could face a major setback, one that could have been avoided with better administrative oversight. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.